I want to take this opportunity to share with you the mool mantra of my life, and that is education, education, and education. And when I say education, I don't mean only degree and marks. I mean never stop learning, never stop acquiring knowledge, never stop sharpening your mind. Throughout my life, I have tried to make my mind dhardar, sharp, by learning about completely different subjects. I studied mathematics. In fact, I had developed such an understanding and love for mathematics that I hardly practiced problems on paper. And yet, I became MSc Maths gold medalist. Then I studied management and I was rank holder in my MBA. After that, I entered the world of technology and worked as an IT professional with organizations such as Merrill Lynch, Accenture, HCL, Wipro, and TCS. I learned different technologies and programming languages and went on to do my PhD. But my education didn't stop there. I went deep into spirituality, studying, seeking, practicing, and exploring the deeper dimensions of consciousness. Then came music. I had the privilege of receiving training from the legendary Ghulam Mustafa Khan Sahib. And during the last 3 years, when I decided to pursue music seriously and give shape to my label, Wow Music, I realized that being a musician today is not only about knowing how to sing. So I again learned. I learned about audio production, video production, technology, social media, digital platforms, whatever I felt was necessary to take my work forward. Why am I telling you all this? Not to tell you how many degrees I have or how many things I have done. I am telling you because I want you to understand something that life has taught me. No knowledge ever goes waste. No skill you genuinely acquire ever goes waste. Every new subject you learn adds another dimension to your thinking. It broadens your vision, it gives you the ability to see what I would call दूर तक देखने की क्षमता. You begin to see beyond what is immediately visible. So, my dear students, sharpen your minds. Read, learn, explore, ask questions, acquire skills, even those which may not seem to be useful to you today. Because you never know what life has planned for you. One day, an opportunity will knock at your door, and suddenly, all those years of learning, all those seemingly unrelated skills, all that hard work will come together. And when that moment comes, you will be ready. You will not have to wait for someone else to make you shine. You will have prepared yourself to shine like a star. So if you remember just one thing from me today, remember this. Keep learning, keep sharpening your mind, and never believe that your education is complete. Because education is not merely preparation for a career. Education prepares you for life. Thank you so much.